In these next few videos, you'll review some of the theories that have shaped our understanding of leadership effectiveness. Although none of them capture the complexity of the process, together they highlight some of the variables that predict who will be effective. As you learn about each theory, ask yourself, does it align with my experience? And how can it help me become a better leader? Let's start with leader behaviors. When scholars first began to study leadership, they assumed the greatest leaders had a unique set of innate traits, or characteristics they were born with, that made them natural leaders. Over time, scholars began to consider other aspects of the leadership process and proposed hundreds of models to explain it. Contemporary theories focus on the behaviors, not the traits, of leaders and followers, as well as situational factors. In the 1950s, researchers started classifying leaders' behaviors as task-focused or relationship-focused. Task behaviors are focused on the group's work and its goals. They seek to clarify directions, make a plan to complete tasks, monitor progress, and solve problems along the way. For example, leaders who help the group set its goals and assign tasks to members according to their expertise and interests. Relationship behaviors, on the other hand, are focused on managing the interpersonal relations between group members. They aim to support, develop, recognize, and empower them. For instance, leaders who listen to their followers, mediate conflicts, and encourage optimism and hard work. In 2012, Uckel added two other categories of behaviors associated with leadership effectiveness. Change-oriented behaviors seek to envision and advocate for change, encourage innovation, and facilitate group learning. External behaviors include networking with others outside the group and monitoring the external environment for significant changes, industry trends, and new opportunities and threats to the group's success. So, leaders who use all four types of behaviors tend to be more effective than those who rely on just one or two types. Now, whether a chosen behavior works well depends on the situation, including the followers, the task, and the organization.